I am Steven, co-founder and CIO here at Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global Markets AM Preview.
Stocks are declining globally this morning as trade optimism fades with tensions flaring at the India-Pakistan border. Indian fighter jets have destroyed an alleged terrorist camp in Pakistan, the biggest escalation between the two nuclear-armed rivals since 2001. Stifel strategists argue that a rotation to value stocks will first start with a sell-off in overall stocks. According to analysis, the ratio of the Russell 1000 value to Russell 1000 growth first fell to an 18-year low back in September before value large-cap stocks began to outperform in 4Q. Year-to-date, growth stocks have outperformed value stocks according to Stifel. Bloomberg highlights that cyclical stocks and corporate profits have been moving in opposite directions to start the year. Cyclical sectors like industrials, banks, energy, and consumer discretionary have been some of the best performers this year, while the market braces for a weak 1Q earnings season. Though on a next 12-month PE basis, cyclical stocks are still below last year's peak valuation and still below the next 12-month PE of defensive sectors. The disconnect between markets and corporate earnings could be a worrying development if the rally in cyclical stocks continues. The S&P 500 broke above the 2800 technical psychological level in yesterday's trading, only to finish below the technical resistance level. After gapping up on the market open, the S&P 500 slowly trended down for most of the day. The inability for the S&P 500 to hold above 2800 raises questions about whether the current rally in U.S. stocks will continue or needs to take a breather. Just as a point of reference, the S&P 500 is already up 11.89% year-to-date as of yesterday's close. Across the pond in European markets this morning, weak forward growth rates for European stocks may cap their ability to continue to see a rally in their valuations. In options markets this morning, the VIX is little changed this morning, currently sitting at 13.73, with General Electric out of the money puts, SPY out of the money puts, and FXI out of the money calls, some of the most heavily traded options in the U.S. pre-market this morning. From our popular stocks trading in the news segment, Etsy reports fourth quarter EPS of 32 cents, well above consensus of 25 cents. Etsy reports fourth quarter adjusted revenue of $200 million, beating consensus of $194.9 million. Etsy reports fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA of $51.4 million. Etsy sees calendar 2019 revenue growth in the range of 29 to 32%, while consensus is expecting 30%. Bank of America announces it will drop the Merrill Lynch name from its investment bank. Bank of America acquired Merrill Lynch at the height of the financial crisis in 2008 and has told employees it will remove Merrill Lynch from the investment bank completely and rebrand its wealth management unit business with the Merrill name. Formally, an era has ended. Home Depot reports fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $2.22, being consensus of $2.16. Home Depot reports fourth quarter adjusted revenue of $26.49 billion, in line with the consensus of $26.58 billion. Home Depot reports fourth quarter same-store sales growth of positive 3.2%, while market forecasts were expecting a positive 4.5% rise. Home Depot gives same-store sales growth guidance for calendar year 2019 of positive 5%, with revenue growth of positive 3.3%.
If you found this video informative or helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter. And don't forget to check out Quantamize.com for your full market preview for stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptos, and to find out what trades our AI quant models like this morning.